sure that pelvis isn't rolling back. Okay.
Take a 10-second rest.
Right, let's come into your mermaid. Back down on the forearm. Leg extended. Lift. Feeling on hip bone, just lean back onto the buttocks. Lift. Lift. Keep going.
Take a 10-second rest.
We'll be calling some mermaids.
2, 1. Exercise 3.
I want you to bring yourself round now into tabletop. We're ready for some press up. Keep that tailbone tucked under. There you go.
Take a 10-second rest. 4, 3.
Okay, come back into child pose. I would keep the knees to the floor because we're working quite quickly. So move. Ready? Lower level, you could come into a box. Watch the shoulders.
Take a 10-second rest. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stretch back. One last round there. Oh.
Exercise 5.
Ready?
4, 3, 2.
Go. 1.